Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to use the quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. This method is straightforward. If you refer to the formula on top, that is the formula we are to use. And the only thing you need to do is to find A, B, C respectively, and then to plug into the formula to get your answer. Let's start with A. A in this case is 3. B in this case is -5. C in this case is -2. And let's start from minus B, the numerator. So minus B, you put -5. Plus or minus gives you two roots. And you have the square root, B squared. So -5 squared minus 4AC. A is 3 and C is -2. Everything over 2A. Let's try to simplify. -5 gives you 5, plus or minus, and you're required to simplify inside the square root. So -5 in parentheses squared, that is 25, minus 4 times 3 times -2. So 4 times 3 times -2 is -24. And because of this minus, that should give you 49 inside the parentheses, 25 plus 24, everything over. 2 times 3 should give you 6. Let's look at the number under the square root. That is a 49. Fortunately, that is a square number, and simplify gets you to 7, 5, and 6. Remember that when you're solving quadratic equation, you should have two answers. So we should take the principal square root, 5 plus 7 over 6, and x2 as 5 minus 7 over 6. I believe if you are to simplify this side, you should get 2 as your x1. And if you are to simplify x2, I believe that should give you minus 1/3. The last step is to collect the two x we have. So x is an element of 2 and minus 1/3. Moving on, we are to look at this equation and use the quadratic formula to solve. So if you are to look at this question here, you see that there is a -4 on the right side, and this is strictly prohibited. You are to remove that to the left. So I believe you should add 4 to both sides of the equation to get the -4 eliminated. So plus 4 on the left and plus 4 on the right. On the right, that should give you 0. This new expression is what we want, and we are to identify A, B, and C. A is 2, B is -7, and C is plus 4. Next step, we are to plug A, B, and C into our quadratic equation. So let's start from the numerator minus B. So -7 plus or minus tells you two solutions. B squared minus 7 squared minus 4 times A times C. A is 2, C is 4. Everything over 2A. We are now to simplify. Let's start from minus B. So -7 should give you 7. Let's keep the plus or minus. And we are to simplify whatever is inside the square root. So -7 in parentheses squared should give you 49 minus 4 times 2 times 4. So that should be -32. 49 minus 32 should give you 17 over 2 times 2, that is 4. If you are to look at the number that is inside the square root, that is a third, that means you cannot get an integer solution. And we would like to keep it in this form to get its precise value. So x is an element of 7. The first is plus root of 17, everything over 4. And you have other solution that is a minus 7 minus root of 17 over 4. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.